Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, thinking about bind wire, preparing it for use. Many times you'll have lots of pieces that you need to do small little connections. Easiest is to go ahead and take it and wrap it around your hand, just like so. However many you want. When you have a good amount, give it a cut, and then to get multiple pieces, cut it again. If you want them long, stop there. If you want them short, cut them again. Now you have preset pieces ready for binding without having to do it one at a time. Now you know the pro technique.